What's the most valuable skill in the age of AI? It's not coding, it's not public speaking, it's learning how to learn fast. The world is changing faster than any school system can keep up with. AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and YouTube tutorials let anyone learn anything. If you know how to ask the right questions, the people who thrive in 2025 and beyond won't be the ones with the most experience. They'll be the ones who know how to learn faster than the world changes. Think about this. AI can help you break down hard topics, summarize 100 pages in 10 seconds, teach you new skills faster than ever. But you have to decide to keep learning. You can't depend on a diploma anymore. The most future-proof people are the ones who stay curious every day. So ask yourself, what's one thing you're learning right now that your future self will thank you for? Follow EvolvAI Hub to keep learning faster and evolving smarter. In this rapidly evolving world, adaptability is key. Embracing continuous learning allows you to harness the power of technology to enhance your skills. Picture a classroom of the future, where students explore subjects through immersive augmented reality experiences. Each lesson is tailored to their pace, filled with interactive elements that make learning engaging and effective. Meanwhile, individuals at home leverage online resources, diving into video tutorials that teach everything from coding to cooking, all at their own convenience. The journey of learning never ends. It transforms as new tools emerge. Remember, the ability to learn quickly today will define success tomorrow. Keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge and let curiosity lead the way. Imagine walking through a bustling city where every corner is filled with opportunities to learn. Digital billboards flash with advertisements for online courses and workshops, inviting passers-by to expand their knowledge. The world around you is alive with the buzz of people eager to grow, adapting to new technologies and ideas. Now picture a tranquil park where friends gather to share what they've learned. Surrounded by nature, they discuss their latest discoveries, from mastering coding languages to exploring new cultures through online platforms. These moments of connection and dialogue are just as important as the content itself. Engaging with others fuels your curiosity and enriches your understanding. In the age of AI, learning is not just an individual pursuit, but a collective journey that shapes our futures together. As we navigate this landscape of knowledge, mentorship emerges as a vital component. Picture an inspiring scene where a mentor passionately guides a young learner through a complex problem on a whiteboard, breaking down barriers to understanding. This one-on-one interaction fosters a deeper connection, highlighting the importance of human guidance alongside technological tools. Meanwhile, imagine a sleek digital interface that tracks your progress across various online learning modules, providing insights into your strengths and areas for growth. These innovations make learning more personalized and accessible than ever before. In a world where information is abundant but discernment is crucial, finding the right mentors and utilizing technology effectively will empower you to stay ahead. Embrace these resources and remember that every question leads to new opportunities for discovery and growth.